What we're pulling up to right now has been going on in the background for so long. It's been a dream for over a year, longer than that, and finally today we've signed some papers and we're about to go and pick up the keys to our very own unit. Keys acquired, big H is here. Coming in, here it is. What are we going to call it, Harry? We're thinking Money Pit HQ. It's pretty big actually. Got the roller shutter. All this racking's come with it and all this crap. So we're gonna have to try and sort through this crap. But we've got a little corridor here. Goes into a break room with about 50,000 chairs and a kitchen, a table and a skybox. No reason whatsoever. And behind here there's a bit more of an office. So it needs some work, doesn't it? But I'm sure we can make it our own. It's a lift in the middle. It's looking forward to it, but just got the big job now of making it our own from, I don't even know what it was. So pretty happy with that. I mean, this racking, how much do you reckon this is worth? It's got to be, that's a lot of racking. But the problem is, all the shit on it. Wet floor sign. Whole roll of insulation, like, it's all just tat. I mean, a mixing bucket, Aaron, some pipe. Oh, mate. When we're sleeping at the unit, fucking quick kip. Yes, sick. That's our night sorted, working late on the cars. Quick kip. And we've got just pipe cleaner, pipe cleaner, I don't know. New hairbrush.
Oh man, at least you got some bin bags.
Oh my god. Oh, right. Yeah, first things first, I think get rid of some of this crap before we start tackling the bigger job at hand. Right, back in the unit about an hour after that last clip. This is unreal. Me and the boys have finally got our own space, and this thing is going to go through such a transformation. It's unreal. But funnily enough, 2 years to this day, Wednesday the 4th, I posted my first, I think it was posted or recorded, one of the two, I've just seen it come up on my phone. My first ever bit of content with a car. I did some content with my old track Mini that set on fire. Most people won't know about that, but just to think 2 years on from then, I wasn't taking it fully serious. The next year, took it a bit more serious, and then this year, we've just, 2 years later, 3 of us have got a unit together. It's just unbelievable. I'm so proud of us to actually, I know all we've done is basically say, yes, we want it, but it's gonna be so sick in here. I can't wait. But enough waffling. Me and Harry are gonna get to work getting this crap off the shelves, because this shelving, we're keeping. And we absolutely blitzed this racking. Anything that was left on it, we just pushed off into the middle of the workshop because we had to sort through this. And let me tell you, this is just years and years of previous tenants leaving just junk, basically. It's useful to someone, but definitely not us. This is what we got off the racking. Just about 6 boxes of pipe cleaner. I have no idea what it is. A load of heat blankets. And then we've got this pile over here. Just, I think it's
pure shit, mate.
Yeah. Bin. What's this?
Parking fines?
No.
Maybe?
It's like a auction document. Scran! Oh, I don't know. And because we're going to be spending so much time in this place, we need it empty, ready for the transformation. So the next thing to do was get all the racking down, so we had a blank canvas ready for prep for paint. We made the break room a home already. A can of Coke and a nice little candle. 'Cause it stinks in here.
There, mate. It's a Fiesta bumper out the roof.
Yeah, so after finding a Fiesta bumper in the roof, we just cracked on with getting that first coat of white on. We're doing a two-tone effect, but when this first coat of white went on, we really thought, what have we got ourselves into? Because it just looked no different. And as you can see, we had a few spectators just looking at how bad it was. Cheers, lads. Well, what are we decorating? Be rude not to. Cheers, John. Harry's decided not to help out, and he's already working.
I don't know.
First couple of coats down. Time to start on this side, even with a bit of a leak. But we're getting there. We are on the evening shift tonight. The lads were here this morning, sorting some stuff out. As you can see, you can kind of see it coming together this side. That's just 2 coats of paint. I think I've showed already, we're having the top half white, bottom half black. And now we're on this side. First coat is always going to be like water, but it's really starting to come together, even at this stage. So Luke's on his way back, get the tunes on, keep going. And that's exactly what we did. We just kept painting into the evening until it was ready for the black. Most efficient way of removing. Oh! Right, I've been on my own today, painting. These walls are looking mint. I'm back on this side. It's been a few hours, all on my own, but I've been getting through it, don't you worry. Yeah, I'm sorry you just had to witness my karaoke session. But anyway, it was time to crack on with the black, and this went on so much easier than the white did. Right then, it's a couple of days since the last update on the unit progress. Let me show you where we've got, because it is coming together now. Let me spin this camera around. Right, so as you'd seen, we'd started on the black. All of this side and this side has now had its second coat. So that is looking mint. We haven't done the straight perfect line yet, because we haven't got the laser with us, but we will do that, and it's not the end of the world at the moment. Down the hallway has had its first coat, that's looking good. And now, I've just done around the surround of the door and the top. I think we are going to do the door black as well, but the paint's not taking great up there. At the end of the day, it's a unit, it's never going to be perfect, but it definitely takes your eye away from how it looked before. So that is looking good. But the plan is now, hopefully this weekend, well, it's Wednesday night now, throughout the end of this week and into the weekend, me and Harry are going to do the last couple of tip runs, because there's so much crap being left in this unit. We'll get rid of that. We can then start on the floor. We're going to sweep it all out, degrease it, acid etch it, and hopefully get maybe our first coat of paint down, because that will be the big moment. Because as soon as there's paint on this floor and it's dry, the Merc's rolling in and all the money pit cars can be here, and it'll be class. So let's get to it. Right, so the unit is pretty much completely empty. check out this beast that we've got to scratch up the floor. You'll see it working in a minute, but that should do the job so we can get this floor paint down. Now this thing is ear-piercingly loud, but you know what? It did the job and it did a really good job, so I'm not going to complain. Mate, this is looking sick. Done around the edges. It doesn't stick great down the edges, but mate, what do you think, brother?
Amazing.
Amazing. Sick. Coming together. And once that first coat was down, it changed the place. But we let it dry off, hard enough, so we could hit it with the second coat. Obviously painting backwards, so we don't trap ourselves in the unit. It's been a few days since you saw us putting on the second coat of paint, and it's finally dried. I can walk without leaving footprints around the gaff. So that's a good thing. Wouldn't quite put a car in it today because it's only been, we did it Tuesday, it's Sunday now. It's still probably not fully set for a car, but that's fine. We can walk on it and we can start kitting this unit out. We'll get the racking up, we'll finish this black line across here, sort the skirting boards out and make it our own finally. And then the Merc can finally roll in here, one of the money pit cars. We can get to work because we've had this a few weeks now and it's looking sick already. I can't wait to fully get going on this. So let's do that. But if you are a company and you're interested in getting involved in making this unit sick, I don't know, a workbench, a table, something cool, maybe something useful, some garage equipment, it'll be mint. It will make this thing so much easier for us, and obviously it might be a bit of a promotion for you. So yeah, I mean, we've even got internet now, so it's faster than what I have at home, so probably gonna spend quite a lot of time in here. And another thing we need to do is sort out these lights in the break room and in the unit, because they're not LED. They're gonna end up charging us a fortune for them, so probably a big hex light maybe in the middle, and then just maybe change the bulbs in the break room. And yeah, I mean, it's quite embarrassing. Look at the state of it in here at the moment. It's absolutely criminal. But we have been working. And that night, the work didn't stop. We got the laser out, the level was set, masked off, ready for paint. And here we are, pretty much a nearly ready unit. We've done so much in this video. This place looks completely different. We've started building up the racking. The Merc parts have arrived, but obviously there is one thing that hasn't arrived. But that's about to change, because close. Oh yes. So the Merc has finally arrived at the unit. We can finally get working on it in cover, in the warmth. It's a dream. It used to look like this, and now it looks like this. It's still a work in progress. Obviously, we need a ramp, we need workbenches, toolboxes. We're still building up the racking, and the break room still needs some work, but at least we can get started. So make sure you're following my social media and the Money Pit social media to see the behind the scenes of what we're getting up to here. So the next video is most likely, well, definitely gonna be the Merc being worked on in here, and you'll probably see the progress we're getting in that. But of course, we'll do another dedicated video to doing up the unit. This break room, we want it to be the proper hangout area, and you've got Harry's little area in here when he's tatting on knock cars. So yeah, this in the summer is going to be sick. We want all the gang round. We've got the fridge, stock it up with beers, barbecue. We've got the speaker up there. It's going to be so good. And what a way to start the year. We're 3 months in, we're on the 3rd month now, but yeah, it's already looking like it's going to be a good year. But all I've got to say is thanks for watching. Thank you to Luke and Harry for also being the backbone of this place. We can't do it without you, obviously. But if you have enjoyed the video and you're looking forward to the unit and all the rebuilds we're going to be doing here, make sure to drop a subscribe, like the video, and give it a hype if you can. So thank you. I'll see ya in the next one. Peace.